Yes, it is true. My interview and some of my artwork aired on television. Shout out to the videographer. He was awesome. He made me feel comfortable during my interview. I, Amber, was featured on Channel 11 News because I organized an event that took place on Sunday, August 1st. This event displayed my artwork and other items that I sell in my gift shop. I also featured 8 other women that own businesses. They were featured as vendors. I also had an event planner and a few assistants working at the venue. Together, we were able to allow members of the community to speak directly to business owners and offer them good quality products. I'm hosting another event on August 14th. My next event will feature more boss ladies, and I'm selling new products. I am forever grateful to have my art business featured on Channel 11 News. To be recognized by them feels great. This is the video clip right after we got done setting up. Hello Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Keiota Studio. I am Amber and this is my art studio. I am doing a few things to prepare for this upcoming art show. I just recently purchased a bunch of chairs and tables. At first there were only 8 chairs and only 2 tables in this gallery area, but now I have more. Here is an updated look at my art studio currently. Here are the new chairs and tables that I got. This is my dry office where I do a lot of digital work. This is the Cove area. And here is my wet office. I also am going to come up with some rough sketches. I would like to make a thank you card to my vendors that were featured at my art show on August 1st. As far as me having any other art shows later on this year, I did have one great idea for an art show. I do get a lot of support from the healthcare industry, and I do have a lot of feminist art pieces. So I think it would be really cool if I put together a art show that is geared towards women's health and possibly have a couple of speakers there. Shout out to a young lady I met at my art show on August 1st. Her name is Evelyn. I believe she said that she is a nurse practitioner in the state of New York. So shout out to you. I really appreciate you and everyone else that came to attend my art show. The first thing that I am going to do is email everyone that is on my mailing list, which signed up through my website. I'm going to email them now to let them know about my upcoming art show, which is on August 14th. Wow, my online store sessions from possible customers and customers are up 66%. That is really good. I am now uploading the flyer to my website for the email. The next thing that I am going to do is use my iPad to create a rough draft of postcards that I'm going to be placing inside of these envelopes for the ladies that attended my art show as vendors. I am going to start off by creating a 7x5 postcard. Now that I have this blank white area, I definitely would like to put in a nice message. So I am getting the text tool. So far, for a message, I have this right here. I'll let you hear it.
Vendor thank you letter. We thank you for being a featured vendor at our summertime art exhibit and vendor expo. With your help, we were able to provide that community with the opportunity to meet women that own local businesses and purchase their quality products. May your business continue to prosper.
Alright, so for now, I just put the text to the thank you card in the center of the thank you card. Alright, so the last thing that I'm going to do before I leave, because I'm hungry, is I am going to type up a letter to a client. I'm going to send it to her email. The letter is just going to consist of a thank you for your patience. I have received your request for the illustration that she wants. So I am going to send that to her. Alright, so this is how this letter goes. I'm gonna let you hear it if Siri is loud enough for you to hear on camera. So here it goes.
Thank you for your patience. We have received your request for the illustration. We also appreciate you attending our art exhibit. You will hear from someone at Keiota Studio shortly.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.